In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can see who changed what information in Lanteria HR. So first of all, let's open an employee record. Let's open our friend Lisa. And let's just open her card. And we can go in and have a look at change history. So if I click on change history, this is going to show me all of the changes that were made to any field on her record. So you can see here I've been doing some testing. We'll scroll down a little bit further. You can see here that on this particular date, at this time, myself changed this field from this to that. And it shows you a complete audit trail of who changed what, when. Now, the other thing you can actually do as an HR user, under the Report Center, there's a fantastic report called the Audit Log Report, and it is very granular. What it allows you to do is see who looked at what and when. It's very, very detailed. So what you need to do is put in a date range. So I'll put in from yesterday until today, and look, you can click on view everything, but you'll probably want to narrow it down and find out if a particular employee was looking at something. So you can see here, this particular record shows you all of the details of what was looked at. And if you scroll across, you can actually see we've got 19 pages of details here. And of course, you can export that to, let's have a look here. You can export that to Excel or Word or PDF. And it even shows you which IP address they came in and what they actually looked at. So that's a couple of ways that you can look at who changed what or who accessed what in Lanteria HR. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you got something out of it, go ahead and click on the like button now. And if you'd like to learn more about how to get the most out of Lanteria, or you'd like to stay on top of the constant product updates that are being put out, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.